Hello and welcome to Enterprise University. In the third part of this exercise, we will learn how to manage customer-specific discounts and pricing. Enterprise Suite supports various pricing methods for inventory items and allows custom pricing and discounts for customers. We will bring up a customer record first. From the customer search list, let's select a customer to load the customer detail form. Switch to the Pricing tab. This tab allows us to manage the custom pricing settings for our customer. Note that changes you make for the customer pricing will apply only to new transaction documents. The Pricing Details section is where we set up default pricing and discount. We may change the default price when needed. If we want to offer wholesale price to consumers at a given period, we can change the default retail price to wholesale and switch back after the promotion period expires. We can select the default discount source for our customers. The options are band, overall, or none. If band, the discount band field appears after the discount type field, allowing us to select a discount band. If overall, the discount field appears after the discount type field, allowing you to put in an overall discount percent. If none, no discount will be given to the customer. However, we can always apply a discount percent for our customer on order entry. We can modify the pricing method to use in the customer transactions. The options are markup on last cost price, last price paid, price list, and none. If markup on last cost price, the pricing percent field appears next to the pricing method field, allowing you to specify a markup percent to add to the last cost price of the items ordered by the customer. If last price paid, the latest sales price of the item paid by the customer would display upon entering items in the customer's order. If price list, the price list field would appear beside pricing method field, allowing us to select a price list that would apply when the customer orders an item with a pricing level information. If none, the default wholesale or retail price would apply to the customer's orders. We will discuss the pricing methods in detail in the pricing and discount schemes of the inventory module. The Customer Part Codes tab allows us to set up the customer-specific part code and description for the items. This is useful in avoiding complications in entering items, especially when processing orders for international customers. The customer description is reflected in the sales order document. To do this, select an inventory item in the item name column. The default description will display in the inventory description column. Then modify the values in the customer part code and customer description columns. The Special Pricing tab allows us to set up the special pricing for the customer if they bought a specific item. To set up special pricing, select the items from the item code column. Default unit measure and unit measure quantity are displayed. We can select another unit measure if needed. For example, we will apply special price if the customer orders a dozen of the items. In this example, we will set up a special price for an item over a specific period. Let's specify the special price for the item in the unit selling price column. Let's enter the start and end dates of the special price duration. We will be prompted if the special price for the items has expired. In another example, we will set up a special price for an item with price breaks. Let's select another item from the list. We will accept the default unit measure at the start and end dates for the special price duration. Let's set up a price break for the default unit measure each. We have two ways to create price breaks. One is to set up each price break manually, and the other is to generate the price breaks. We will demonstrate the first option. First, click on the node icon inside the unit selling price column to view the item unit measure tab, where we can build price breaks for each selling unit of the item. Click on the node icon inside the unit measure code column to view the quantity price break tab. Let's enter the first price break. In this example, we will specify 2 as minimum quantity and 5 for maximum quantity. Then let's enter the reduced selling price for this price break. In the second line, the minimum quantity is filled in. Let's enter 9 as the maximum quantity. On the third line, the minimum quantity is filled in. We will accept the default minimum quantity of 10 and the default maximum quantity. Then let's enter the reduced selling price for this price break. Here we have a price break for the item starting for orders for 2 pieces of the item. Everything from 10 pieces and above will have a reduced sales price as indicated by the special price duration. Another way to create price breaks is by generating it. Let's add another item and add details to the special pricing. And click on the node button or right click, then select show price break. The quantity price break tab will display, or right click and select show price break. The item unit measure tab is displayed. Let's select the default unit measure each, right click on the first line and select generate price break. The price list window will display. Let's enter 10 as price break interval and 11 as the number of price break, then click OK to generate. Let's enter the unit selling price for each price break. Here we have a price break for the item starting from 1 to 10 pieces of the item. Every additional 10 pieces will have a lower sales price as indicated by the special price duration. Notice the icon in the last column. This icon lets us know if the special pricing includes price breaks. Remember that we can override the default selling price and discount on order entry. We will discuss this in detail in the Sales Codes Orders Invoices lesson. After saving all the necessary information, we can choose from any of the saving options. We will discuss more of the pricing and discount options in the pricing and discount schemes in inventory module lesson. Thank you for watching. In the last part of this exercise, we will learn how to review and track our customer trading.